They are hungry. I was supposed to go grocery shopping today, but I was sitting here waiting for Digicel. They're supposed to come set up the internet. So they said they were going to come today between 12 and 4. So since I get closer to 4, I'm not see nobody, I'm not see no technician, nobody now call me, not like that. I called them and I was like, it's 4:45. And I don't hear from nobody. Can you confirm that the guy is coming? The guy's like, oh, no, he's just going to come tomorrow morning. If someone says, so wait, go. I had to call you to say the technician not coming again.
Man, this is some bullshit.
Anyways, so because I was sitting at home waiting, because I was supposed to go grocery shopping, but I was waiting on them. I didn't want to miss them, so I was like, I'm not going to go on the road. So I never end up with grocery shopping. So they are hungry. Anyway, so I ordered from Crave. That's the point of that story. I ordered from Seven Crave. It's Jamaican's version to DoorDash. So I set up my account and I ordered some Wendy's. It wasn't bad. And I could select to pay in cash because it's my first time doing it. I've mentioned in other videos that Jamaican fast food is not fast. So just imagine Jamaica app delivery. They had said 45 minutes to an hour. It has been about 30 minutes, almost 30 minutes. It's a food supposed to be ready by 8:07. I ordered from 7:27. So by the time the food is prepared, then pick it up, it reach here, who knows. But I trust Crave. I saw other like delivery app. I trust Crave because I've been seeing it when I go restaurants and stuff, like fast food restaurants. I've been seeing the guys on the bike with like the little backpack stuff. So that's why I trust this one. And as I said, I'm paying cash, so I didn't put my card in there or anything for them for, take my money and I shop with my food. You have to bring a food in order to get paid. So let's see how that goes. But the processes seem legit. The agent did call me to confirm. I don't know if they're going to always do that every time I order, but he had called me to confirm my address. So we'll see. But this is my first time ordering food online. No, I know this is going to save me enough time, especially since I don't have a car yet. I know this won't save me a lot. It's definitely saving me tonight because I am starving. I'll ice me and eat. Look, y'all, it's set up real legit. Look, it's showing when he's there to pick up my. So I placed order at 7:27. Administrator has been assigned at 7:30. Order sent to the store for processing at 7:31. Order has been processed at 7:43. So it takes 12 minutes to process the order. And now at 7:47, the bearer is in transit to pick up order. So let's see. All I know is if I want to do this again, because I've been sitting there now since like about 5 o'clock and I'm saying I'm hungry. What am I going to do? Am I going to walk to the grocery store or am I going to get something, like Uber somewhere? And but I was craving something specific and I wanted that, and it's not on the Seven Crave app. So I was like, that kind of delayed me a little from signing up for the app. But I reached a certain point of hunger where I was like, yeah, I don't need that specific thing no more. I'll eat anything. So I figured Wendy's would be the fastest option. So I would just have to know ahead of time, because if I did order this an hour ago, I would have probably been eating now. So at least I'll be eating in an hour.
A few moments later.
So before it was like food is going to be ready by 8:07. Now it's saying food is going to be ready by 8:34. I placed my order at 7:27. Yeah. But the guy is at the restaurant. He got there at 8:14, 2 minutes ago. So let's see if he's going to wait the 20 minutes to get the food. I don't understand how the time had changed. Like, maybe this means that it's going to be fresher because the food that was ready at 8:07 not as fresh. I don't know. He wasn't there because he got there at 8:14. So maybe they're like, oh, we need to do a new batch so it can be fresh. Fingers crossed and hopefully, yeah, because I am starving. As I said, I know for next time to not wait until I'm this hungry to decide if I go and order. Oh, it's like gonna call me. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yes, Seven Crave. Just let you know I'm here picking up your delivery. So I already have it here, alright?
Okay, do you know about how long it's gonna take?
Oh, probably less than 10.
All right, thank you. Oh, and when you get here, just let the security guard know. I already let them know that you're coming.
What number you at? Yeah, I think I could find out where that is.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You want to know?
Bye bye. So less than 10 minutes. Let's hope. All right, y'all. While we wait, let's talk costs. This will distract me from my hunger. So, my total bill came up to, the food was 1,130. Delivery fee was 650. I tipped him 250, and I had gotten a $325 gift discount because it was my first time. Plus tax was $48.75. So it came up to $1,753.75. So I just want to round that up and give him 1,800, and 1,800 is $12, right? So this is what it looks like. Pretty money, pretty money. Imagine getting food delivered for $12. Food at Jamaica cheap. Yeah, food at Jamaica cheap. I mean, in comparison, a lot of Jamaicans have this misconception that life is just so great in America and you're making American dollars, and it's equivalent to what you would have been spending in Jamaica. But as I've been saying to people, yeah, cool, you're making American dollars, but you're also paying American bills. And the simple facts that delivery, food, and tip and everything included plus tax included is $12. I don't even think this whole meal by itself would cost $12. I don't eat at Wendy's like that when I was in America. So, but I can guarantee you, a sandwich, fries, and drinks, it's really close to $12 or a little over $12. Yeah, so the cost of a Wendy combo meal, so combo meaning the sandwich, the drink, and the fries, is $10 to $15. Yeah, and I'm getting delivery, tip, and taxes for $12. I'm not saying life is not hard in Jamaica, and I'm not saying Jamaica don't have its problems. What I'm saying is that we were brainwashed to think that life is just so great in America, and when you calculate and do the maths, show me the greatness. The only thing you can say is so great is the American currency stronger than the Jamaican currency, but the American bills are significantly higher than the Jamaican bills. So 12 or 1, half dozen or another. All right, let's wait for this man.
A few moments later.
Guys, I have food. Praise the Lord. I can't eat. I was tracking him, and it wasn't accurate. It showed that he was still at the restaurant, but he wasn't, because he called me. I was like, I'm downstairs. I thought he was going to call me and say he's on his way. I ordered a Sprite, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm drinking a Coke. Shout out to them if they deliver, drive it up on the bike. Saved me life tonight. Saved me. Even though them not hot, them not, I could don't get me hungry. I could be that hungry. But alright, y'all. First experience with crib, not bad. Other than the time, which I knew fast food in Jamaica is not fast. So let's see. It took about an hour. Like 1 5 minutes. So not bad. As long as KFC took. So when I was in KFC drive-through line. Alright, y'all.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.